Are you prepared for an emergency situation? In the face of uncertainty, readiness often spells the difference between safety and peril. In this discussion, we delve into the essential items for a bug-out bag, each one a potential lifesaver in a survival scenario. First on our list is the fire starter. Fire can be our best friend in survival situations, providing heat, light, and a way to cook food. Fire starters come in many forms, from flint and steel to ferro rods. Choose one that is dependable and easy to use, even in adverse conditions. Next, consider a water filter. Safe drinking water is a must for survival, and a quality water filter can turn almost any water source into potable water. It is a lightweight and compact solution to a critical need. The third item, the 550 cord or paracord, is a versatile tool. Use it for setting up shelters, fishing, or even first aid. Its strength and flexibility make it indispensable in a variety of situations. A multi-tool is another essential. It combines several functions in one compact device. It may include a knife, a can opener, and various other tools. This tool's versatility can make the difference when improvisation is required. A flashlight is a non-negotiable item. It provides illumination in the dark and can also serve as a signal device in emergencies. Opt for one that is durable, waterproof, and has a long battery life. An individual first aid kit or IFAK with a tourniquet is a must-have. Injuries can happen, and the ability to treat them promptly and effectively can be a lifesaver. A tarp is an important addition to your bug-out bag. It can serve as a shelter, a ground cover, or even a means to collect rainwater. Choose a durable, waterproof tarp that is lightweight and compact. A metal cup or pot is a simple but crucial item. It can be used for boiling water, cooking, or even as a container for gathering food or water. A portable fishing kit can provide a sustainable food source. It may seem like a luxury, but in a survival situation, the ability to catch food can be a game changer. Lastly, navigational aids such as a map and compass are vital. They can guide you to safety or resources and are especially important if electronic devices fail. In conclusion, each item in a bug-out bag has its unique role in promoting survival. Fire starters provide warmth and a means to cook. Water filters guarantee the provision of safe drinking water, while the 550 cord provides unparalleled versatility. And a multi-tool is a compact solution for various needs. A flashlight provides light, an IFAK ensures immediate medical attention, a tarp offers shelter, a metal cup or pot is a multi-purpose container, a fishing kit provides a food source, and a map and compass guide the way. Preparation is the key to survival, and these items are the key to preparation. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to like them and subscribe to our channel so you see when we post new ones. Thank you for being part of the Modern Warrior Project.